Welcome back everyone to Generate.net. This is an instruction manual for the AI video maker. Let me just switch over to my other screen. This AI video maker could create YouTube shorts or regular videos for any purpose you could ever think of. Now, this is absolutely incredible for anyone who's trying to explain a concept or create viral content or anything of that sort. Now, when you see the power of this, you'll understand that this AI video maker is the best on the market right now. It doesn't actually create proper moving videos, but it does a job of explaining. And let me just show you an example of a video that I created with this so you can get an idea what's possible. So here's a video that I just created literally about 5 minutes ago. It took me about 1 minute to create. Let me let you watch it right now.
I started following this amazing influencer online. Then I noticed that their posts had an unusually perfect aesthetic. I realized they never posted candid or behind-the-scenes content. Then, I observed that their engagement rate seemed artificially high. I discovered that their comments were filled with generic praise. Then I did some digging and found they had an excessive number of sponsored posts. I found it strange that they rarely interacted with their followers. Then I started comparing their followers to other popular influencers. I realized there were strange gaps in their content history.
So as you can see, this was a video that I made in under 10 seconds. The idea for this video was automated, but I'm going to show you how you can literally customize everything that you want to create when you make a video. So to make a video, let's just get started from a brand new, fresh start on the AI video maker. Now you have a few options. You can click on automatic mode. Now that will give you about 10 options for viral ideas that will actually create some viral content for you, which you can actually then get tons of subscribers on your YouTube channel. So as you can see, the truth behind viral internet scams, 10 celebrity secrets you won't believe are true, exploring the most haunted places in America, etc. So any of these, if you just click suggest more, it will then create 10 new options, the rise and fall of viral challenges, etc. So that's one way of doing it. That's for people who don't even want to think of ideas. That's fine too. But if you have an idea, you can click on this and click on, and then you can type a quick prompt, which will then create the infrastructure for your following video. So if in my case, I wanted to create a video about how to make money from home with effortlessly, just as an example video, and then I'll click create my video, and what you're going to see now is all of this form being filled automatically. And of course, if you click on these magic wands, they will of course change everything you write. Now you can also change the writing style of the AI, so it's optional. You can write, like, for example, in first person or third person. You can also save your writing style here, and that way it will speak exactly like the way you do. Now I'm going to choose 10 scenes in total. I don't need more than 10 for the example. Then I'm going to click create your AI video. Once I click that, what's going to happen? It's going to give me it's going to ask me, is this good enough? Do you approve this output? You can either choose yes or no, and you have two options. So then I discovered the power of freelancing, offering my skills online. Then next, I realized the potential of selling handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy. I started a blog, etc. These are all different ways of making money online. Let's click yes. And if I click yes, it will start then creating the scenes for my book. And once the scenes are ready, we can then create the images for the scenes, and then it's all done very quickly. Let me just do it in an automated way by clicking this button, which generates all the scenes and the images all in one go. As you can see, you'll see them popping up very, very, very quickly on the screen for each scene of the video. If you need to regenerate an image, you can click this button. If you need to look at the prompt that was used to generate any of these images, you can click this button here. And when you click on it, you'll see the prompt that was used to create it. You can then change it and then make it something of your own. As you can see, all the scenes are being created automatically as we sit here and watch. You can also edit images with this button and add scenes in between with this button here. Once you've finished, you can click on prepare the video over here. And just by the way, you can choose the type of images over here. You can have, like, for example, cartoon or realistic. The AI will decide this for you, but in this case it chose infographic, and that's why all these images are infographic style. They're all consistently similar to each other because that style was chosen by AI. Now you can choose that yourself. Now once you're on this page, you can either click on generate video. Now this will do all the work automatically and will create a video just like that. But of course this video is an instruction manual, and so I'm going to go into the settings here. When you click on that, you'll see that you have complete control over every aspect of the video, like the orientation of the video, whether it's upright for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, whether it's sideways, regular, horizontal YouTube video, or if it's a square, which is good for Facebook Reels and Post. The music is chosen by default is this song here. But of course you can change it to emotional, sad, emotional, uplifting, no background audio at all, standard, happy, and funny background music. Of course you can request more by clicking this button here, or you can just upload. Soon we'll have an upload audio option as well. If you want to request that, click here as well. Now let's make this short video ready now. And you can also choose the voice of the person speaking. Let's test the voice out. The default voice is this.
Hi there, I'm Matthew Plus. This is how my voice sounds. Do you want to use it for your project?
I guess that's fine with me. You could always change it to someone else.
Hi, I'm Dan. This is how my voice sounds. Do you want to use it for your project?
That's fine for me. Let's click generate video now, and in about 20 seconds we'll already have a video ready to be uploaded to YouTube and TikTok and Instagram, and these videos can go viral if they are done right. Now, it's not hard to go viral in my opinion. You just have to put the right topic at the right time and give it a little bit of humor and an emotional touch, and then you will go viral. And it's as simple as that. So we can hide all these options and then just choose the default option, or you can choose this. Now here are all my videos that I've created, and the way I create them and then I post them on multiple channels very quickly and efficiently. You can also create explainer videos to explain topics very quickly with this. This would be good for people who are selling explainer videos to clients. This could be used to basically explain concepts and complicated ideas as well. For those in the explainer video market, can definitely benefit from this app. Now that the video is ready, you just have to wait for the rendering, and once it's rendered it will be recentered and there will be a circle download button. Let's wait for that to happen. There we go, it's ready. Let's click the download button and it will have a download bar. Once it's ready, we can then watch it together. I've been having issues with my graphics card, so let's hope this video actually opens up and works for us.
I decided to explore ways to make money from home effortlessly. Then I discovered the power of freelancing, offering my skills online. Next, I realized the potential of selling handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy. I started a blog, sharing my passion and monetizing it through ads and affiliate links. Then, I ventured into online tutoring, sharing knowledge and helping others succeed. I found amazing opportunities in virtual assistant jobs, supporting busy professionals. Investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies became a thrilling way to earn passive income. I learned about drop shipping, running an online store without holding inventory. Finally, I embraced social media, building a brand and collaborating with companies.
So that's the video that I just created now. It's basically, the name of the video is how to unlock your fortune, 7 effortless ways to make money from home. And as you can see, the results are unbelievable. I highly recommend you give this AI video maker a go. The link in the description below. And thank you for watching this video, and bye for now.